YouTube? It's your boy Drew running another trading video, and today I'm going to show you guys how do I correlate US30 and NAS together. All right, I've been calling these two indices the twins for the past year I've been trading because they do the same exact thing. When one buy, the other buy. When one sell, the other sell. When one consolidate, the other consolidate. You know, when one grab liquidity, the other grab liquidity. And I'm not saying just get in one and then get in the other, but you can do that. Of course, wait for the confirmation. But as you can see, this is the monthly time frame on NAS100, and as you can see, major price shoot up, major price shoot down. So now, what I'm looking for now is maybe come correct some of this because this right here is left imbalanced. All of this, and this was last year, January 2021, January 3rd. And if you look at US30, same thing. Massive shot up, massive come down. And as you can see, price, both US30 and NAS100 is both buying, so I've been correlating these for like a year or so. I just been getting in buys in both. If I see one buying, I can hop in and get in the other. It's just a matter of time before they do go back up buying hard. Remember, NAS100, US30, they are buying indices. You will never catch them selling for so long. So we buy the dips, as in this is the dip, which means go up, dip, buy, go up. You know what I'm saying? So we only buying NAS100, US30. It's never too many sales. But as you can see, this is a major drop. So this is the dip for us to get in. So like I say, I just been correlating both of these all at once, and I'm gonna show you guys how I would do it. All right, so what I basically would do is I will find out where price wants to go. All right, so I told my team that price had liquidity right here, as in this candle. I told my team that price had liquidity discounted right here, and as you can see, price came in and took liquidity out right here. This counter right here is called liquidity and on the higher time frame. So what I would do is put me a line right here. As you can see, price came in, hit it perfectly. And y'all know how I like to do. I like to do my rectangles. So as you can see, look what it did. Came and got liquidity, which is this area right here, and it respected hard on this area. So now I can see price push back up. And how I would go about this, I basically will look for my close. Where did price close on the monthly time frame? Price closed right here. Right here. So that would be my next target. I'm in this buy right now. We in with the banks. Because why? It took liquidity, so we're going to buy right here. So enter here. And then we're going to go where price closed. I like to use close because the close is more valid. And I'm going to show you once I go down to the smaller time frame. And that's all I need. Like, I don't have nothing on my screen. No moving averages yet. Just lines, rectangles. And look, as you can see, look what happened right here. Remember how I told you guys how price like it scans from buying to sell, as in from support to resistance. This is a major level that it did. As you can see, up, down, up move, up, down, breakthrough, retest, up. You know what I'm saying? Like, so this is a good take profit for me. So now if I was to turn my moving averages on, let's see what it would be. Boom. As you can see, the pink moving average. So price should meet this pink moving average right here for my take profit. And this take profit is a sell zone. So whoever wants to sell, they can sell right here, aka pullback. Remember, we just came from the high time frame. We just identified that price is going to go up hard. And like I said, NAS100 and US30, it is buying. They are buying indices. We never selling these too hard. So like I say, I just identified where price is going to go. It took a little minute. I got in this buy a little bit too early because I didn't identify that this was a liquidity area right here, aka price left money. As you can see, this little small wick right here, price had to come grab it, and that's what it did. Came and grabbed it, rejected hard, and as you can see, price is going up for the monthly time frame right now as we speak. Right now as we speak, and I'm not saying that they're going to look the same, but you can correlate both at the same time. As you can see, look right here, price is buying, price bought once it hit this area. This is a major area because why? Price is scans from buying to sell, aka support to resistance. As you can see, look, this major level right here played out good. As you can see, price up, down, up move. This move right here caused price to come right back to this area because this up, down, up move without no retracement. So break up, retest, and I can see these highs get targeted within the next year. It's real simple. I just go to the highest time frame. Like I always tell you guys, the highest time frame is going to tell you the story. It's going to tell you where price wants to go. I can possibly see price come hit this area long term wise. As you can see, price is already buying. We got the three soldiers. This right here is called three soldiers. Three massive bullish candles coming out the weekly time frame. That's showing massive buy volume right now. But like I said, I call these the twins because they both do the same thing. And like I said, if one consolidates, I can go to the next one. If the other one consolidates, I can just correlate both of them. I get in both. If I'm in like 4 lots in NAS, I may want to add one US30 entry just so I can hold my leverage. But it's all real simple. US30 in NAS, twin towers. Y'all already know. Stay in touch with me, guys. I'm gonna teach you more sauce on US30 NAS. Peace, guys.